A smart city is a city where information is not just available, but it's also findable and you can share it, and it's also intelligent, so people are able to use information.
But that's based on the way it fits with how you want to live your life. It provides you affordable housing, good quality education, economic perspective, so job opportunities, but also it should provide culture, free space, entertainment, and of course a clean environment and safe environment to live in.
If you take a look at smart cities, and you break that down to the elements: safe, clean water, take care of sanitation, help produce energy, as well as getting people to and from work in the city, we've effectively made the city smarter.
I mean, it's all a question of optimizing the resources. The world we leave to our children will be better than the world we inherited from our parents. So that's a very generous idea. It's a global idea. We think it's key to the future of humanity.
Government of India, of course, has come up with a comprehensive template as to what will actually be determined as a smart part of it. Given the diverse landscape that India has, smart cities will be a very good platform where it can drive growth, employment, and improve the quality of life.
India has two different focus. One is functional infrastructure, making the city functional, and using the technology to ensure citizen service delivery mechanism is complete. So India is, the smart cities is a different model, but I'll say that India will leapfrog in terms of other smart cities because of its highest amount of mobile users, as well as the startups who are going to play an innovator roles.
Location is really the heart of what we're talking about. Everything on the Earth's surface has a location, and to that location we could assign and associate multidimensional attribute information that helps drive better decisions and smarter decisions. So from a policy perspective, we believe that geospatial technologies provide the necessary framework for collecting the data and transforming observations in these collections to help facilitate software-based solutions around smart city infrastructure.
Smart cities, or things in general, I mean, by 2020 there's supposed to be over 50 billion connected devices. So all those devices are generating data and communicating up to the cloud. Data in itself really isn't interesting as a consumer. What it is that information that's generated, as well as the cloud infrastructure through the servers, and then beaming that back to either the end user, the thing, or the smart city, BIM, etc. So I absolutely see the geodata as well as all the things connected.
Geospatial has got a fantastic space that it's now working in, and that is that we can make sense of all of the different types of data which are available. And we can do that by geocoding, by using really precise addressing to join together 50, 60, 100 different data sets and start to look at patterns.
Ranging from smart safety to smart infrastructure, smart planning, and so forth. So geospatial provides the underlying foundation and ultimately the fabric upon which solutions can be built. And the idea of what is smart, the idea of connecting sensors with software and sort of streamlining those together with enterprise workflows around a given solution. So really, geospatial provides the core ingredients needed to help facilitate and ultimately deploy smart city solutions.
Before you can actually improve on things, you've got to know where things are, what their conditions are, and how we can monitor the improvements that have been made in those elements that make up the smarter city. We as geospatial professionals have a key role in this.